If you wanted to be one of the first to view my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. If you wanted to tag me on any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me on, and I also have a Facebook page where you are able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description for all the additional information. Now that you know how to make the papermache concrete and the papercrete planter pots, you can check out this tutorial next. If you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.